Is this the world's simplest water pump? Without requiring any fuels or electricity, it operates by means of an internationally patented Venturi valve. This elastomeric valve simply oscillates backwards and forwards with the flow of water, causing the creation of high-pressure pulses. These pulses are then directed in line through a second Venturi check valve, where the water can be delivered to great heights and over long distances. Manufactured by a thermo-injection molding process using high-tech composite materials, the Papa Pump is the world's first mass-produced injection-molded pump of its type. Specifically designed with simplicity in mind, this eco-water pump technology will provide decades of zero-energy, trouble-free pumping, which is simply out of this world.